Hey guys, welcome back to the Jingle Garage. And today is a special day for me. I'll tell you in the end of the video why it's a special day for me. December 16th. It's a special day for me. Today's Tuesday. I'm off from work, believe it or not. And this morning my wife gave me this. Says, hey, here's your present for you. She knew that I was having problems with my I always have problem with the battery in the past, so she gave me a gauge for my battery because I was dragging about the also having one, so she gave me one from my favorite company. Before I was going to install this, it's very easy. Let's unbox it first. I'll tell you in a minute why it's a special day for me. But there we go. We're unboxing this real quick. Beautiful gauge inside. It's for the battery gauge again. Let's see. Of course, you know, this company doesn't bring me question. How much you want to bet? Give me a sticker. Harness. Very, very easy harness. And the gauge. Let's take a look. Want to go test the gauge? Let's go test it real quick too. All right. Comes with a little extension right there. All right. So let's go test the gauge real quick. We got plastic on top. Yeah, it does. Anyway, let me show you real quick. Let's go over here to the battery on this. If you guys follow me in the past, you guys know that I got two gauges here working. Hold on, let me take this off of it. Okay, there we go, better. If you know, yeah, I got this right here. That was my temperature gauge a long time ago. Then I bought the water temperature and air fuel ratio. But now, I always had that one just sitting there doing nothing. So, let's put a new gauge in. Okay, let's put the cable right through here. Oh, lucky for me, I don't have an AC or nothing back there that I can reach my hand and pull the cable. Pull the cable. And it's just installed right there. But so it doesn't come out like this one don't pull out. I'm gonna go get the little brackets in the back and I'm gonna put it in. And I got all my gauges. That looks amazing. I got the speedometer, I want water gauge. That looks amazing now. All looks amazing. So, let me put you in pause real quick. Let me take this off, bolt that on, and then run the wires through here to make this work. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna look for a fuse. I already tapped into one of these to on and off. And I'm gonna tap into it. I got so many. No more lie. So many here. So I only need power and ground. To get the power from somewhere. Let me figure this out, guys, and you know where I'm gonna get it from. All right, guys, so you can see the gauge is working. I'm getting 13 plus on the gauge. Let me see when I put my music on. Look, those guys right there walking away, they came in to look at the cars. It happens a lot here. So let me see when I put my music, when I hit the bass and shit. That's what I was wondering. If I'm from, oh, this one from right here. Let's connect it. I'll let you know because YouTube would give me a, what do you call that? Enclosure or some shit like that. They will penalize me if I put somebody else's music. So with that said, yeah, I'm gonna put somebody's music. I'll let you know how it went. Alright guys, I got everything figured out. I made a mistake. I was putting it to the ground, to the fuel box, and it was giving me, the light turns on. Car will not turn on the lights, for the gauges. But now, turn the key on. Let me do it so you can see it. Right here. Okay, I'll turn the key on. See how my gauge is gonna pop. You can see them, they're right there. And then right now it's giving me a 13. I was just getting to the battery right now from the alternator. But as soon as I get a lower RPM, go like 5,000, goes up about 11, 12. Because you want to be 12, 12.4, 12.5. When the car is off, it's throwing 10, 11. That's what the battery got in the back. But I got 2 batteries, so there's enough power to start the car. You know what I mean? Check it out. I'm gonna put it down. I got 11 to crank up. 10 is dropping. See? And it stop, and then I go like this. I turn right away. I got 12.9 in the back. So right here, get gauges all the way up to the top. 14. So 2.5, 14. That's really good. So I love my gauges. All these gauges are badass, bro. That's my speedometer, water, air fuel flow, water, and that. Maybe in the future, I will get another one right here. That'll be my oil pressure. Maybe, I don't know yet. But right now I'm satisfied. All the gauges are working. That was good. So now I can tell you if I have a battery issue or a starter issue, whatever, because I can look at the voltage. Alright guys, thank you for watching, but before I go, I want to tell you why today's a special day. Today's a special day is not because she gave me a gauge because she feel like doing it, right? Today's a special day because it's my birthday. I turned 50 today. So that's why I told you, watch to the end. 50 years old. What can I say, right? But yeah. That's just a special day. Today's my birthday. She gave me this for my birthday. Thank you, babe. Love you so much for this stuff. And nothing, guys. Thanks for liking, for subscribing, and have a beautiful day. Now, I have to go deal with something else. And subscribe, hit like, share. If you're gonna say happy birthday, tell me where you're from. Peace out, guys. Nos vemos. Un coquito.